What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Hello and welcome. Thank you. Today we're taking the glass out. We're gonna put some bars in, do some zapping. So tonight might just be getting the glass out because I don't know how long it's gonna take. It's already cracked. Actually, it's cracked on both corners. So if we break it, who gives a fuck? Here we go. Blah! Let the teardown begin. I'm gonna try to get the windshield out without breaking it this time. Last time I broke the fuck out of it. Oh, yeah. After you get it fed through the, I don't know what that shit is, the sealant, then you gotta feed it through and you just start sawing away. Broken wire, that's gonna happen a lot. Why? Why? Ah! This is definitely the hardest part. Trying to get it like, you know, trying to just down through this edge. Like once you get it through there, it's not too bad because you can go right across, but it's like turning this corner. Sure, if you had a real nice one, it would be no problem, but when you're working with like the wire saw thing, it's not so much fun. It's not so much fun at all. But we're gonna keep doing it. Get that fucking glass out of there. We're gonna get all the glass out. We're gonna start welding some more bars in because we need a lot of bars. Yeah, we're missing a lot of bars in there for the real deal Gauge bigger Mobobber. It probably won't pass tech because your boy doesn't know how to weld. But we don't care. Hoopty Raceway's tech is very lenient. So we're good. We good, y'all. We good, y'all. See, the beauty about doing stuff you don't know what you're doing is you learn along the way and you get smarter. A little bit smarter, maybe. I don't know. soon as I fucking start. We are through. Oh. Yes. Now we can start putting in our new bars, which means a bar like that, bars in the back, bars on the roof, gussets, the works, baby, the works. Try tonight. So tomorrow I'm gonna try to pump them, try to get them pumping out. Like, comment, subscribe. You know I love you. Peace.